In this video, I'm gonna show you how to convert text to video and audio. I have tried many apps and websites to do so, but play.ht is the best website I have found so far. If you have a script and you want to convert it to an audio with a very realistic voiceover and put it on a video, this is the website you should check out.
Alice was beginning to get very tired of sitting by herself.
Life is short.
Choose the voice that you like and set it as default. To start your project, go to Files and press on Create Audio. Now select Ultra Realistic Voices. Now type or paste the text you would like to convert to audio and organize it as you wish. If on mobile phone it is difficult for you to work, click on three dots on the browser and change it to desktop site. Now you can upload a video from your device. Select Import Transcription and then add to Timeline.
Siberian tiger, also known as the Amur tiger, is a subspecies of tiger that is native to the forest.